The truth behind the real purpose of the Karma Seal was kind of teased in the earlier manga chapters, but this month's chapter, that is chapter 46, outright confirms the ongoing theories in this particular regard, especially how it will affect our protagonist Boruto. So hey guys, my name is Soham and welcome back to Wonder YC, and today we will talk about this in details. Now please note that this particular video contains manga related content, so anime only viewers have been warned for major spoilers ahead. Either way, let's begin into the video. Now since the introduction of Ishiki Otsutsuki, a prevalent theory among the fandom is that the Karma Mark is basically a mini version of the Otsutsuki, from where they are reborn or resurrected in the body of their new host. As we can see with Jigen being the host body for Ishiki Otsutsuki, who is looking to make Kawaki his new body via the Karma Mark. And this is confirmed by Amado himself. He says that the Karma Mark is basically a small compressed Otsutsuki backup file that will get decompressed as the time progresses. And in the end, the host body will be totally eliminated. Giving the example of Boruto, Amado says that Momoshiki will totally take over the body of Boruto and Boruto himself will cease to exist as an individual. This is a very serious and grave predicament. Something that ties back to the Momoshiki fight where he told Boruto that his blue eyes will one day take everything from him. A very ominous future prediction, but it now seems to be actually true. So the question is, what exactly can be done now in order to stop Momoshiki from taking over the body of Boruto? Well, at the very end of this chapter, Amado tells the gang that there's one particular way via which an Otsutsuki can be killed, and this particular information will be further expanded in next month's chapter. But I'm pretty sure that the plot point of the Byakugo seal will be brought forth next. Basically something in relation to the mitotic regeneration technique that might help the vessel to fight off the karma. Again, this is a prediction, so take this with a pinch of salt. But what if, just what if Boruto in the future learns Uzumaki sealing jutsu to contain the karma seal? Now there will be a lot more shenanigans involved here and I'm pretty sure about that. So let me go over them one by one. For starters, I'm still a big believer in the Jogan Eye theory. It will definitely come into play somehow or the other. But other than that, what if a combination of the Byakugo mark and the Uzumaki seals are utilized by Boruto to counter this predicament? Imagine this situation. Naruto, Sasuke and maybe even Sakura take Boruto to Tsunade for information about the Byakugo mark. But because of Boruto's lack of medical ninjutsu and the lack of affinity to acquire and concentrate chakra to make the Byakugo mark, Tsunade unwillingly goes to take the help of Orochimaru. There, with the help of Orochimaru's research, we get to learn about the secrets of the Byakugo mark and more can be found in the Uzumaki seals. So with the help of Karin and maybe even Mitsuki, Boruto starts a journey to learn more of his Uzumaki heritage and to acquire the knowledge of specific seals that can help in combating or at least partially stopping the advancement of the Karma seal. We already know that the Karma mark can absorb normal seals, but the Uzumaki clan has lot more secrets that were seemingly lost with the destruction of their village. It would be so cool to get an arc where Boruto, with the help of Karin and Orochimaru's data, uncovers some secret technique. Moreover, we also know that unlike the symbiotic relationship between a Biju and a Jinchuriki, the Karma basically engulfs the host body like a parasite, so a Jinchuriki sealing jutsu will obviously not help. That's where the Byakugo mark will come into the play as well. Again, this is all my speculation, but Ikemoto is really good in world building and expanding the lore of the story, and everyone would be happy to see some more light on the Uzumaki clan once again. And lastly, again this is really too far-fetched, going way beyond the time skip teased at the beginning of the series. What if, just what if, in order to stop Ishiki from taking over his body, Kawaki sacrifices himself to save Boruto from Momoshiki as well? What I'm trying to say is that, and again this is a very far-fetched theory, but what if Kawaki uses the Reaper Death seal on Boruto's left hand, and thus Momoshiki will not be able to take it over completely, basically preventing the final resurrection. Obviously this will be a very final resort, but seeing Naruto Shippuden we can basically infer that some deaths are bound to happen in the future of this series. So what if this is really the case? But then again, this was just a very far-fetched theory. Nonetheless, I'm quite eager to think about the Uzumaki clan's sealing jutsu theory, because that makes a lot of sense, at least to me. But what about you guys? Do you feel that this has any merit at all? Mention your thoughts in the comment section below. So that's it for today guys, thank you so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel for more. This is Wonderwise and I'll see you soon in the next video.